If you have a laptop that would not turn on, and you plug the laptop and you press the button and nothing will happen, what you have to do is basically to unplug the laptop, okay, and flip the laptop and take your battery out, alright, and place your laptop back on the table or whatever surface, and open your laptop and hold the power button key for approximately between 25 to 30 seconds. Okay, once you finish doing that, close the laptop, place the battery back in there, okay, then plug your laptop by plugging the power cord to your laptop, and now you are ready.